right, guys. I'm gonna let my little one try it. Let's see. We'll do it one time and try it and see how this works out. All right.
What's the fire?
He knows safety rules. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to fire. Okay. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to fire. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and whenever you're ready,
You might fall one time.
pull it back.
Awesome.
Good job.
He got one right over there.
Yeah, you did.
My turn.
You sure
No, you're
did.
too little. Too little, baby. Too
Too
little.
little.
You wanna try
Wait till you
again?
get as old as him.
He said he weren't sure he could hold this up because it was awful heavy. I guess it's all that pink. No, your finger don't go on the trigger till you're ready to
Hold it
fire.
down a little and over toward me. Just a little nut.
Awesome.
Okay, that's another one.
Do it
That's
again.
two.
Yeah.
Now you can tell Zachary that you. No. Don't put your finger on there till you're ready to fire.
That's another one that goes through that
Wait,
and to
hold
the
up
wood.
for a minute.
Oh, he's excited. He hit it. He thinks he hit it.
3 times. Yeah,
Awesome.
0. 0 out of 3.
Oh, he's pointing to the
He
same
got 0
bullseye.
out of 3.
He's pointing to the same bullseye she pointed to and he's pointing to, but I done.
Well, what? You shouldn't lie about your 72-year-old woman almost.
What do you think? Does it feel good?
First time.
Talking to the camera. The camera's on. Tell YouTubers.
Back again for another show. And
Did it feel awesome? I mean, did it feel good?
yes. And this is my first time shooting a gun.
Yeah, he got it.
And my first gun was a rifle.
He got it 2 times out of 3.
I thought it was gonna be a pistol.
Hayden, what's the problem, honey? You're too little.
Yes, he got 2 out of 3.
When you get 7, then
well,
you can shoot
well,
it.
you won't have her to help hold it for her to shoot one.
No, she's too young.
little. She's too little. It's against the law.
Too
It's
young.
against
I
the
don't
law.
wanna-
have the
I
law
would
here.
rather be safe than be sorry on this day.
And throw you behind bars.
Okay.
The answer, get it.
All right. Well, until we shoot, we're gonna set up our water bottles.
Ow.